Disney has created a new generation of theme park robots, an enchanted walking snowman named Olaf. And inside their secret Imagineering research and development lab, he's full of personality and movement.
Olaf, fall down.
Unlike static animatronics, Olaf glistens like wet snow thanks to iridescent fibers woven into his costume. But the real challenge was teaching a robot to walk like a cartoon character. Engineers used NVIDIA's technology to train Olaf in simulation, where machine learning helped him handle real-world bumps and obstacles, and they collaborated with NVIDIA and Google DeepMind on the Newton physics engine for accuracy.
Ladies and gentlemen, Olaf.
Animators even help shape his training data so his signature snowman shuffle matches the movies. Controlled by an operator, Olaf talks with input from voice actor Josh Gad and can follow scripts for shows, though his speech capabilities will expand over time.
It was because of physics, using this Newton solver that runs on top of NVIDIA Warp that we jointly developed with Disney and with DeepMind that made it possible for you to be able to adapt to the physical world.
I'm a snowman, not a snowplopedia.
Olaf will first meet guests on March 29th at Disneyland Paris's new World of Frozen Land and later at Hong Kong Disneyland. Anthropic has just confirmed it's working on a brand new AI model called Claude Mythos, but the way we found out wasn't planned. A massive leak caused by a simple configuration mistake exposed nearly 3,000 internal files, including a draft revealing the model's capabilities. Codenamed Capybara, this AI is said to be even more powerful than their current top-tier Opus models, marking a whole new level in performance. According to the leaked documents, Mythos dramatically outperforms previous models in coding, reasoning, and most notably, cybersecurity. And that's where things get concerning. Anthropic warns this AI could be so advanced that it may exploit vulnerabilities faster than humans can defend against them. Because of this, early access is being limited to cybersecurity experts to prepare for what's coming. Ironically, the same company worried about AI security just leaked its own next-gen model due to human error. Whether this is the future of AI or a glimpse of new risks, one thing is clear: Claude Mythos could change everything. Figma is redefining how teams turn big ideas into real products. Instead of working in isolated tools, designers and developers can now brainstorm, design, and build together in one shared space.
And with Figma Make, you can take something that you've designed in Figma, or you could just prompt yourself to create a coded prototype or a coded site. Now,
Figma allows teams to create scalable design systems with reusable components and brand assets, ensuring everyone stays consistent and aligned. It also makes collaboration effortless by letting organizations share templates for everything from social media posts to full product layouts. One of its most powerful features is Dev Mode, where developers can access and code snippets all in one place, eliminating guesswork and speeding up production. With the addition of its MCP server, Figma even integrates directly into coding workflows, bringing design context into development like never before.
And so where MCP comes in is being able to, you can take that data and bring it over to your code base, and then you can use your agentic coding tools to make sure that it's written the way the rest of the code in your code base is.
This is your tech rundown for the day delivered at full speed.
Microsoft has just released Harrier OSS V1, a new family of multilingual embedding models that could seriously change how AI understands and retrieves information. The lineup includes 270 million, 0.6 billion, and a massive 27 billion parameters, and all of them achieved state-of-the-art results on the multilingual MTEB V2 benchmark. What makes this release especially interesting is that it moves away from traditional models like BERT and instead adopts a decoder-only architecture similar to modern large language models. Instead of analyzing text in both directions, Harrier processes it sequentially and uses something called last token pooling, where the final token represents the entire input, followed by L2 normalization for consistency. But one of the biggest upgrades is the 32K token context window, which allows developers to embed much larger documents. On top of that, the model uses an instruction-based system, meaning you actually guide the AI with a short task description before your query to get the best results. Overall, Harrier OSS V1 is a huge step forward for open-source AI, especially in next-gen RAG applications. A brand new AI model just quietly took the #1 spot, and almost nobody noticed. According to Artificial Analysis, Xiaomi's Mimo V2 Pro is now ranked the top model in its price category, crushing the competition with a score of 49, while the average sits at just 13. What makes this even more surprising is that Xiaomi hasn't even officially announced it yet. The model supports an insane 1 million token context window and outputs up to 32,000 tokens, putting it among the most powerful AI systems available today, and it's currently free. On OpenRouter, a mysterious model called Hunter Alpha has been dominating usage, processing over 500 billion tokens per week, and evidence suggests it's actually Mimo V2 Pro. There's even a multimodal version, Mimo V2 Omni, capable of handling text, images, audio, and video. If all of this is true, Xiaomi may have just entered the AI race in a massive way without saying a word.